mà là cái chẳng đỡ chạy nhor cái đùng điên media cái chẳng wal bang wan cái pai wal karon kin dang rau di jan dang rau di diech an mak bangut gok bay nong lor ti la nong yen chang cái đùng điên media cái tin thua cái junub Sudan cái na win mo na dien đùng điên media ne ala ri chang ko gwa leng mo gwa ka tuk nuar ko yen ne ko dung gor cái nei ti leng nei cái đùng điên media mi chiran jo ma la ja online leng biar like cái bia share we will share mà có tung ăn bao cái chụp nên con liền có tung nữa nằm bao cái giá trị các bạn con nông này cái tung dit media các bạn con là nông này cái tin thế này các bạn cái chăng thì nàng nói gì thuốc lời là news cái tin chỉ thua cái Junub Sudan thế này các bạn nữa cái tin juga con đang bảo cái trả là cái Junub Sudan thế này cái analysis cái tin con tin chỉ thua cái Junub Sudan cái tin bị thua cái con cái này cái purpose store nó bỏ cái quý core cái quý nap cái quý kumani cái quý political story nhân viên ok cứ là lui này cái qua liên mà qua cái này còn mấy ra là cho cái này cứ share cái cái qua tung ăn vào cái shop anh qua là cái dung dit media thì còn bao ra giờ đấy bị cái là purpose story kam purpose story là mình nói tin là purpose story dung SPLM là party SPLM that we are talking about it today SPLM linh con này wale ni ko foundation ni ko 1983 that historical narration ni jen ba ra jodamo ko SPLM mi ko pon ni ko 1983 ko ngunu ko de to rede ka ngan la fondesto ni ko ta na ra ga na ko Junub Sudan ke ta wal na ko te ne la ra SPLM e dundien pande kul link narration ko historical narration ni ko SPLM me dunga ke Junub historical explanation ka liberation struggle dung so Sudan take a contradiction te ne dinang ran ka loide ka interest de ka dorian ka gwalende ka nara me contribute tin lakin bane kul lenga go ko wori me tu grode shuro to go di wijar historical event ti bai jawo bi wo jach ala jin goro adu ko ngaji contribute in term of personalities in term of dur ko doron dien ko dori jan bakal wudo ngwan mi ju contribute along the liberation of South Sudan SPLM kwa pa no ka 1983 nangro law a set revolution la set rebellions ke Junub Sudan the reason and in bune kul nong na yata ya lan je e wo ba na indicate about historical event here la rede ba no ye origin of the SPLM ke origin of the struggle shura togudi kamano e chomne ga ta ante kon tame ke Junub Sudan so bane to ko tukde ko ke 1983 te ke wood mo Sudanese Major General garno chwal Sadiq El Banana Sadiq El Banana jara meja kam barracks they all take on the southern region ko bes ko jub one of the figure ke story medana kai ganarar Major General Sadiq Banana telling a wote ga rodian ka garson te te bor ko pushal ka pe bor wote ga neiti ti gurgo bu kairar te ga jinubin ti wa kwa transfer the same nature of anyanya one me wa kwa transfer from source inanga ga nos fe to go te ka mutini mila rode kan 3 garrisons to kono ya mention bor ko pushale ke pe bor that was 1983 and aron Taiwan kan akbar ro tin tin la rode man be chum na May 16 kan 1983 ka May 16 mo ko la team wala lawo jen changa kai ganarar bor chuen Major General ni Sadiq chuen de yete jube chuen order with tension ko ko da botin be ben bor be gu medan nete ke kerpino kwa nyin bul be ben a friended be cup bare nyogo jen be waga be bor la pe bor kana pushale be gu me de tin be kap ke captain de birek ma choch gu me te de birek ma choch wini me taro be ka apprehended. That was the mission ishwalat May 1983 Sadiq El Banana. Well, 16 of May 1983 should India con de la denite te ka bor ala mi saba amin mi kamsa te te bor radiant gane te kon te la ex-fighter lack competence of Banyanya 1 kane ya kurngit kane lugu ba relocate te lugu ba loy kanost te te regandro te ka mi kamsa kane mi arba so chu kairar me shi kairar chwa kur yu aterken ke gu me jen bo me jaga sadik chwa kur to yu aterken chwa te don me chwa malek ma garrison smith outside of bur mithie ke mila chwa malwala shot dare bor chwa kur yu atetin in the beginning ke May 16 ke changwal bakel ga pai bh ke 1983 cherbala ne ukan betan ro ke kan betan bita anyanya 1 te kairar ke 1955 kane te kon te kami saba ami mi kamsa kane mi arba kan te kairar kenyam bor kenda menemo John Garang la Colonel John Garang a senior arm officer ka Sudan Army Shwajak ko wona ne be kenda mena mo kan mayni yodo kel geta da ne chana jak Sadiq El Banana me na jaka bor ke je te jen bor I mean te jen ke jube shwe ben ko wona ne der ka ben refalcate kane de kon te cho bon 500,000 soldiers te kon te ka kami kamsa te lo ko ne bar locate nos goro do lo ga sha jako do le ke ko ban mutinous ideology mo ma palaken John Garang was in the area. Later one book at that time, like John Garang was a part of that conspiracy. Go to Jago Border na Kairar, Chang the Mekuben, Madden Bula job border dien. She was around Area Wanamo, Maname Chigadi, Maname Chiga Kairar, Kangadi Lagadi Me Kamsa, Tebuske a curfew of Quanyin Bull. So may come bor John Garang termalane ko ten area wan ma chwejen bor chwegor ba ko border of Ethiopia ba jere bor wano chwejen kana wa ko korre dane we gar chweror mo ko dob do golo chwejen bor kadob loko chwejen kana check the ni chwejen kana check the nyan deng ka gat ke ndaro tama biurtin ta nyaade ni chultin ka uru yal maker deng malo ka chiga yatem ne to chu ye na jakel historical ga ne jel ge John Garang kel me khairar me dan ken ne ya kwento chu ye jel ga lan rober metod me dung cerka chu yen bor chu kongor chu dupadiet chu ga yai chu wat chu kor nyanding from there chu chu nyangor me chu nyangor ga West Bank also barrier chu can Land Cruiser yanamo Land Rover yanamo chu abanya winimi ka nyangor ku yir dorm yo alwe de nyang mute ku yer wulang de ugaj so turbil ma jwalo nang medan ga kore Sudan nam post te ka de wulang jwalo nang re garson re bare ga de ne te ka wulang namo jwala jen ke John Garang me man rokor ga ne je ke ngwamo te ga nuore ti chi lan mo go abo ya la de ken long ken that time ko yo receive kan ka jale jel ka me chi yen wi de nyang cho na ko yo marol ko bodor Ethiopia mi te kam Ethiopia kan nater dor yo marol me chi cho marol chu je ka sem wal gai tut te ka marol wini chu je ka koda tem ayen kan ne ko ken ne do medan jolo ke anya second mobile station ta ka marolo wano me chi ge chwa contact me de ken ke Ethiopian authority ka kora chwa helicopter chwa jien ga de baba chwa bana gambele chwa bana itang chwa ben chwa gar bolor ka marol alas chu wa itang kan ka mo te ga dul dul goro ne ni wanti jien jien tan ke ne ke 1982 chi ge jien ga malakal ka parna rudian wan chuko ro mat kel ke jija nyanya wan I mean nyanya 2 te kon te ka bil pam te ji kaira ne ke 1975 chuko te kel win me ngo da kel an kaira ka bor ken karpin ne kaira ken de bireng ma joy ne kaira ka be bor ken ne kaira ka pochale ken gar ne kaira no mo ko no ngode ken widem nyon ken ne kon kaira me chi go wan to mo dene lara wo garing leaders kane te kon te won tongo ta lo kunyang la do tetin ta paga na mu kai tetin ta uri wala yin thong rang tetin ta nya chiga ngi chuluk tetin ta uri la chwale nya tibling tetin ta uri ai da nga jak tetin ta jimi do mai tetin kane o ken jal kele ga taro ken wan duel gor de yin kai school ti nyu kra wara uni chugo chobo wini mi taga wini mi before me chugo taga mbeze wini mi mani me gara me chiga ben me chi John garang me ben shwe gara shwe waje wini mi ke June 5 we were talking about between June kan May between 16 June kan May 5 kan June 5 ke June 5 William Nyon kan ne de kon de kwa support ka yot chu kairar me chi kairar chu president mere chu goro wona ne baga mo ka technique bele goro ko wona ne de de mi do de de sen ke ju be long me de woni ngana winimi ko de kan gara di alto lat ke toro de ka wakap chwa ga jak kaneto chu ko wak ka yot man me jikor cha woni ne winimi man me ji William Nyon cha kairar successfully cha de fact cha kairar ka gar sona ba yot cha ne wan cha ganak kan chang kai ga jarar me jan la nok chwe goro go bru rabo Ethiopia ta da na ji yen gar dial baro mar gar ken de te ko du dung Ethiopia ma me chawa lo ne Ethiopia me chuba wini me shwe jiganat to South Sudanese politician to senior army officers te ji kaira arwal te ta thank ro ji skamne ta thanken ta ga da dien che me te bil pam shwe je ke kodatem mayan shwe je ke sembol gaitut shwe je ke sembol ke Joseph Budo shwe je ke Martin Majer Gai shwe je ke Colonel John Garang da mabiyo ro wini mi shwe William Chol da ngwedatin shwe Francis Ngor machek kwedatin shwe Arokson Arok kwedatin shwe Karpino Kwanyin bol kwedatin shwe Salva Kiir Mayadi kwedatin shwe Captain David Yang kwedatin shwe Gabriel Ganjuch kwedatin shwe Captain David Bidi Dang kwedatin shwe Moses Malek Chol kwedatin shwe Gadyewe kwedatin shwe Elijah Yonkier kwedatin kane oken chu ko ten wa ma me chi wuje ke William Nyon taro kane di figures te kon de kwa mala chwa Sudan People Liberation Movement ki army chwa po maken ke 1983 kabil farm mama the root of the moment ko kwa po munit NSPLM KSPLA kaka ngani kete kwa po man meje ku continues en kor kai narar ku narar group you can so then disgrant also the stake on shwaro mat ke Ethiopia ko kore chu nyimeri you continues ko be policy de medan major talk again Addis Ababa peace agreement ke 1972 you go bela let ke June 1983 ya kai kana rar long you declare and go and you South Sudan you divide into 3 mini region region dang dok tinyin tieni yekul te Bargazal inte ga Upper Nile jenente ke Equatoria menen konen tame as a result Shomal Addis Ababa kana 72 shwedak shwesan nijen kisho banyo ko madaga nijen ka kore chunyimere chujinubin chwaka point chwe Joseph Lago chwe point ala second by president chwe rammi te tini wen mi mokoloza associate la abelelier chwe watch ko abelelier yala kwar nike September 1971 to 1983 bunu no te runa warau kwara ka South Sudan ba dak chwa wuj ken 1983 mo ken process at all in Yimeri chwe Joseph Lago chwe no at that time President Yimeri chwe regional government kon assembly ni ke high executive council chwe nyoko mekwe establish should create ka 3 region of Equatoria ka Upper Nile ka Bargazal jetana ya kolat ke je should 3 governors should ka appoint ka Equatoria should Joseph James Tumbura should appoint bo ala last executive chairperson the chairman ka council of Southern Sudan should jago woden governor of Equatoria should el Quad Matthew la Quadworth should appoint la governor of Upper Nile region should Dr. Lauren Wolwol should appoint la governor of Bargazal region so kakore should neti to kwar la kwar jinubin ti politician tiloko de junub de dak ta da ne chelele je shokayan ko logo dak junub wala ya te tiende konte chi nyimere ka daga je kyoga kyo de jenne to ku corporate ke element no ba nyanya tu te la jidwar te dor shodatin ka kore ne de konde jwa de ten ke de menamo chama yu boranyang ma do boranyang speaker of the regional parliament kana garmala chwala dol achwila lew by president of the high executive council megur Joseph James Tumbura Mas Yubur a minister of education kana guidance ka jan boy speaker of the people regional assembly ka juba kana 83 the division of South Sudan meda ka je kri jendang dok ka ngator me chigolok chwaga yen Nyimere bulunu a secret me bear open and Sudan People Liberation Movement la SPLM KSPLA a direct product of Anyanya 2 a kairar ken 1975 ka kubu wajerken kabil farm quite established area mucha control Anyanya 2 himura ikon about bill farm kon the first recruit la de medan netu go recruit kaja ka former members of Anyanya 2 mulo no riudi ndial 99% te tu ga spele ke mi ya de pin ka bill farm kanwar Bulunu the first three SPLM, ki SPLA battalion, Shega Tiger, Shega Crocodile, Shega Bablo, and I talk on the Almedan, ka element of Banyanya 2 te ka Larka Kub. Mukune Larun and Rudi and Dial, Kanuare, Kagamat, ka battalion of Me Arba, Kadame Kamsa. Te Lord Kennedy ni te kai Rudi Rar, Bor, Kepibor, Kayut, Kapushale, Kawankai, Kamayom, Kawankai made a local story which you like you look doing Yakwai, you Kairar, Gajob, Kawankai. These are the part of the revolution. Take on your lot. Shola took a spellino, Ethiopia. But when we recall it, between 1983 and 1985, about 80% of the SPLA combat unit take on the area more Kanwar. Kanwar is in a group. Many of the one and majority of the SPLA combatant ba Kanwar, many of the one and Tada and the Chibadaganapin, Karunte Kon the Chibaben SPLA, it was a political. Mishima rivalry between Dinka Kananwari. Politically, political, Telanated the Dinka, they can maintain Ethiopia Medan that we can talk about SPLA, KSPLM today. Young children during the process of forming the SPLA, KSPLM, may you couldn't you or form a can corner Queen. So you heard their name. O can word under the thin dog or young lad in the thin dog. A chang of quapong SPLA. So in the process of forming it, Anyanya leaders, Tabendon quite that your contributed the many Gordon Quangchol. Take a thin one on a Kabil farm, Jakachol, go there a benedollar, medolke, Kataya dan qua SPLA, me quapom gaje. Ka court meeting you ne dia chu ko dol chu ko mat ko chan lo dan mat kon you know bin mana kwor ko kwany kwor chu ne de kon de jel kel ke anyanya 2 de kara gana 1975 Parodian mat cho ba kwada tem a former minister of public service and manpower because of the region ka gwada ne kan gana kairar me ja malian ta in 1972 ka Addis Ababa. So ko kora ju ne wan ju mat ko ne ba kame in position beta movement Samuel ga chwa ja ko de defense ala de dere bot chu Joseph Udo chwa ja ko ne de head of foreign mission ala foreign affairs dere kan chu Martin Majer chwa ja ko de la head of legal affairs ala ga nun chwa Colonel John Garang chwa ja ko de la chief of his staff chwa William Chol dang chwa ja ko de la is deputy ya arrangement nyam no me gur ke de lar ne ke spele bina ko da pintin Garang chwa lok and wo de politician either a movement either a lead. That was his position, and yet we don't need politician to lead the movement. Look, no one lend me all quarter them with a la quar. Joseph Udo, ke Martin Majer, ke William Nyon, ke Peter Quanyel, ke Arokson, ke Princess Ngor, ke Self-Care, Wagara was support ke position. No ko jang la ro dong e dundien. You can support. So chu la group dien. Chwa wur mala chwa ko la tem ma jang dien. Chwa lo ken. Jen ga no dor ken. Gollen garang you can look and garo ko ya kwen chwara mat kel ke garang bulu no historical job jogen wonen me lo ke gare dor la gare jan and historical ben look a struggle later come abelelier kana Joseph Lago Kwadatem was supporter of Joseph Lago and group Gannomo was supporter of Abelalier, and that difference is show joy root me chick wador. Chwala ken le lar ken ko and they support garang that they don't want just what attempt milunu John garang point loge wo de both what attempt kasa well guy simply ke wo lar je kan ta ko different political group guy can quote ke William Choldang they were known ko supporter of Joseph Lago ke da menana ne tagare jo ko kum mela ne ta ke junub ko kor mala had the baba kanol garang kan garate konde ci urum dor they were supporter of Abel Lier no mo ci tala ne go jo to ka ta yero to yere jo show to manani ne dor tadi al ron man meji to pujar lat ka kor formation of SPLA chu junubin chu ramat chu ko dol despite that cha kwada temi cha kwani ka cha lok order the movement that lead to Ethiopian government and the leadership of Mengistu Haile Mariam should decide and will be garang be back, be garang be support. So that is the next step after May Nagak formation of the SPLA can the leadership there. To Ethiopian government should line up ke John Garang. Mengistu take a reason one to go garang support at that time. Manyam dien garang ko em ko objective de the secular system look base equality for all Sudanese no Sudanese dial be create goro be Sudan be unified bala united Sudan metel independent South Sudan you see that Mengistu Haile Mariam goro it was a factor mimak Mengistu my no garang Mengistu again garang was a soldier muku Marxism la Marxist ideology ko embraced as a basic principle of his movement ko no kwat kan ga guru no junub Sudan they la independent kasos that Mengistu Haile Mariam cannot accept biji koro logo ne ke wojana gul yana sheep that work over and they support the Japan African Union that was Organization of African Unity come member state Ken which I support the Ethiopian government that time for independences of South Sudan no more you are difficulties ke African Union she they belong kamuku encourage ke secessionists ne lar ya baga dak pin ka Sudan cha ga long kami kwa ke convince agade Colonel Mangis cho Colonel Garang to support ka kare ro Korea kwen ko be Sudan be unite under one secular state secular system ka be Marxism la Marxist ideology that was Mengistu Haile Mariam ideology best support edich me take a similar character kana Mengistu Haile Mariam melody and kwa support ke garang Mengistu Haile Mariam wo Mengistu la raja ko na Eritrea kwa support Ethiopia I mean Sudan take mala actually People Liberation Front EPLF can Ethiopia People Revolutionary Democratic Front kamala actually LF ala Oromo Liberation Front kana dial tone kwa support akume Sudan tikwa Mengistu kwa oppose kan Ethiopia major SPLA major Togo began by structuring and operation under the leadership of John Garang ayanya force eda nete ke bil pam chuto ko me jene ngono te kon gore je bobo operate within South Sudan ko che gore be objective teje be pal to retreat ko boro Ethiopia so ben inside South Sudan Major retreat to South Sudan could operate inside South Sudan. To relationship DNA especially key as Fiala Manan and under Colonel John Garang. Karanyanya two movement and cities integrate. Me Rudi and me te chigadot. Kel Kagare, shoot Chilok, Shuka Jen, Chermalane, human operate South Sudan inside Yen border. Shualakor. Lincoln Korea to Kamanyanya 1, I mean Kamanyanya 2, can spell from 1983 to 1987. Again beginning then. Kakora to John Garang, she a secure organ, she a la Larka Ethiopia, ko the quadatum, the watch kabom, the yen, Chugarang, Kanasa Walgaj. Ke William Choldang, ke Moses Malekchul, ke Gabriel Ganjuch, ke Bol Kidio, ke Garjewi, ke Nego Ken, Sugar Bengaitang, Sugar Jen Gabil Palm, allow Sugar Bentethin, Kaitang. Ke Ochaga be in a Kubi Ethiopia, and at a Gorodian. Kagos 1983 chu koda tem ka gai tut chu ga escape kai tangeta na ya galat chu ga ben ka Sudan chu ga ben ka territory Sudan chu allo kan woda da confrontation ka personnel de kon la security personnel de ku garang support ka na Ethiopian security medan ne chaon ku de jawge bad me Ethiopian security me fail ko baga arrest chwe garang chwe ga jo bia wan ga bil pam bia the parts of the SPLA I mean of Anyanya 2 alaram nen ken de kon de logo baramat ke bia ko yan mai so gwa ma ka September 1983 chwa bil pam chwa yan ma ja bon kel ken element of the SPLA ri ara form ri do ngitang chwa bil pam chwa element de kon de la nyin Anyanya 2 ri do tin chwa ga yan mai yo den mai jen ko la ling ko chu historical word ko na ko na me nya gad ko ngu chu barar wano tilar ke buñ te kon de bana ba joirar ka bil pam so ngwamo chu la nta dan ne chu ga chu ben ka Sudan la ga nya tu chu koro la kur nya tu kan SPLA chu talk from 1983 chu continues from 1987 then ban right ke chang rodien ko from 1987 and 1991 and from 1991 ban 2005 what happened so taro ke par pal store ni to organian movement na lat kone ko brana ling ngu je wojak bi ngaje who is a right person ko they recognize struggle for the independence of South Sudan. Shukran.